How to add Google Chrome shortcut to desktop in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on search at the bottom. Search for Google Chrome. Right click on Google Chrome and then click on open file location. After you've clicked on open file location, you'll find Google Chrome. Right click on it and then press on copy. You'll find copy, press on copy, and then close this tab. After that, in your display where you want to paste, right click and then press on paste. As you can see, Google Chrome shortcut has appeared. This is how to add Google Chrome shortcut to desktop in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.